Precedence of the emergence of sociology. In this video, we will mainly focus on two topics. First, why was there a need to study sociology? Second, what were the circumstances responsible for the rise of sociology? Here, before throwing light on both of these questions, we quote the statement of a famous American sociologist Robert Bierstadt, who expressed the real position of sociology in his book The Social Order, 1970. He said that sociology as a science is new while its past is very ancient. It means sociology as a subject was established in recent years, that is 1838 AD, while the existence of human society is about 3 lakh years old, when Homo sapiens emerged in Africa. This means that many of the traits of sociology, which we still analyze today, were there long before it was recognized as a science. When we talk about the study of society, we can see its partial description in other subjects such as literature, history, economics, philosophy, political science, psychology, etc. before being established as a scientific subject of sociology. But no discipline was capable of providing a social explanation of society as a whole. In the period before its rise, there were many such social changes that were unexpected and improbable. The traditional values of the society were getting new forms, superstitions were razed to the ground, and adopting the form of rationality and mental independence was adorning society with a new dimension. This is why it became difficult for other subjects to analyze such social phenomena and a series of changes, because society was no longer limited but became widespread. Then the scholars felt the need of a subject which could systematically and methodically study these events of social changes in the rapidly changing economic, political, cultural, and intellectual background. We can say that the culmination of these expectations is the result that today this much discussed subject is present in front of us. Before going into detail, we can understand the rise of sociology through these sketches. In the history of Europe, the states before the Renaissance and Enlightenment are known as the Dark Age, which is considered to be before about 1300 AD. Followed by the Renaissance period in Europe from about 1300 AD to the 17th century, and the period of Enlightenment is considered from 17th to 18th century. Due to the rapid transformation of feudal Europe's oppressive environment during this time, with religion, the state, or the king's words typically serving as the final antecedents, the Renaissance and the Enlightenment periods proved crucial in the development of sociology. The belief that nature and society could be studied scientifically, and expressed in the consciousness of French philosophers, had their roots in the development of science and commerce in Europe. We can mainly divide the emergence of sociology into 4 parts, which are clear from this diagram. The first one is the Commercial Revolution, which is believed to be from around 1450 AD to 1800 AD. It started in Italy, and later countries like England, Holland, and France could join it due to the prevailing circumstances. The second one is a scientific revolution, the beginning of which can be considered from the Renaissance period, which played a major role in giving impetus to the transformative forces. Third is the French Revolution, which took place in 1789 AD and radically changed the political nature of European society. Its direct impact was also on the social system. Many sociologists have expressed their interest in studying this subject. Fourth is Industrial Revolution, which started in Britain around 1760 AD. This gave rise to social attitudes such as urbanization, change in family relations by women working in factories, alienation among workers, etc. We will explain all these reasons in detail in our next video. For now, let us outline the emergence of sociology through another diagram. The Dark Age of Europe ended with the Scientific Revolution and the Commercial Revolution, and a new age dawned with the Renaissance and the Enlightenment, in which new consciousness was communicated. This was the reason that it made possible the French Revolution and the Industrial Revolution. Both of these revolutions radically changed the society. While the French Revolution was more focused on political and social changes, the Industrial Revolution focused on economic and social changes. At this time, other disciplines were not able to explain these social changes in totality. Therefore, the need for a subject was felt which could give a just social explanation to them with a scientific approach. Then, due to the continuous efforts of sociologists, sociology emerged as a distinct subject, and all those scientific methods were discovered which could confirm their positivism. Another famous sociologist, T.B. Bottomore, has divided the emergence and development of sociology into 4 stages: first, second, third and fourth, which we will discuss in detail in the next video. For now, thank you very much for watching the video till the end.